Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1970 Shelby GT500. It's finished in Wimbledon white with the blue stripe and looks fantastic. Some recent work done to it. New tires, new shocks, fuel pump, cap, rotor, points, condenser. Power steering, power brakes. Obviously 428. Super nice interior. Fire it up for you. Sounds really nice. Showing 60,723 miles. Really nice oil pressure. It's got a custom stereo, vintage sound system. We do have the original one as well. It's taken away. Nice headliner. Definitely take a look at our website. We got tons of photos. I think I took about 300 of them, including the undercarriage and everything. Sound to it. Also brand new tires. This one has new horns. She is 428. Power steering, power brakes, new water pump, new battery, new horns, and fuel pump. Love the sequential tail lights on these. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a shout, and that's 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot.